Why should I clean my engine? That's a great question. Today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think you should clean your engine bay. Reason number 1, a clean engine turns heads. I know the first reason's somewhat subjective and a little shallow, but it's a fact of life. You have a nice car with a nice engine, you want to show it off. So it's just a shame whenever a nice engine is dirty. Reason number 2, early problem detection. A clean engine makes it really easy to find oil leaks before they get too bad. Plus it'll save you time or your mechanic time, which will save you money when it comes to diagnosing an issue. Reason number 3, remove spilled fluids. Some fluids can cause a lot of damage to your engine. They're highly corrosive, some are flammable, and some just put off a really nasty odor. Reason number 4, it increases your vehicle's resale value. So let's think about it a second. You go to a car lot, what's one of the first things that you do? You pop the hood to see what the engine looks like. If it's clean, you have immediate reassurance that the previous owner took good care of that vehicle. So on the flip side, whether you're doing a trade-in or you're selling the car yourself, whoever comes and pops the hood, sees a clean engine, they're gonna know that you took really good care of that car. Reason number 5, clean engines run cooler and last longer. So my grandpa always told me, if you take care of things, they last longer. The same rule applies for your car. If you take care of it, it's gonna last longer and be a lot more reliable in the long run. Plus, people are driving cars more miles per year than they ever have before. And they're keeping cars on average 10 years. So if you don't want to buy a new car anytime soon, and you're at that 8, 9, 10 year mark, then it's probably a good idea to keep it clean and take care of it. Thanks for sticking around for 5 reasons why I think you should clean your engine bay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video. So in case you missed the memo, GUNK has a new line of degreasing wipes, and they're freaking awesome. Click the link below to learn more.